Curso de Inglês Básico.
Preste atenção nestas expressões.
See you later. Where do you live? I live near Oxford. Where does she live? She lives with her parents at number 10. Do you understand? Do you understand English? I understand English. Who's that? He's a colleague. He speaks Italian.
Tell me about yourself.
Entrevista para conseguir emprego.
Listen.
My name is Michael Drake. I'm the managing director of this company. Tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm 19. I live at home. I'm a secretary.
Where do you work at the moment?
I work for a small company in Oxford.
And you want to be a computer programmer?
Yes, very much.
Have you got any experience?
No, I'm afraid I haven't.
We've got a lot of foreign customers. Do you speak any languages?
I speak French.
Do you speak Spanish?
No, but I understand it.
That's good. What is your salary at the moment?
Repetition.
Agora escute.
Where do you live? Where do you work?
I live near Oxford.
I work in London.
A big company.
A small company.
I work for a small company.
I work for the managing director.
Do you speak English? Do you understand French? English, French, Spanish, Italian, German. Languages. Do you understand?
Of course I understand. I speak English. I understand English. I'm English.
Escute e logo repita a expressão que ouviu.
Where do you live? Where do you work?
I live near Oxford.
I work in London.
A big company.
A small company.
I work for a small company.
I work for the managing director.
Do you speak English? Do you understand French? English, French, Spanish, Italian, German. Languages. Do you understand?
Of course I understand. I speak English. I understand English. I'm English.
Você deverá perguntar aos personagens aonde vivem. Mas antes, escute os exemplos.
I'm Italian.
Do you live in Italy?
Yes. I live in Rome.
I'm Scottish.
Do you live in Scotland?
No, I live in London.
Agora você faz a pergunta em voz alta.
I'm French.
Do you live in France?
No, I live in Berlin.
I'm Spanish.
Do you live in Spain?
Yes. I live in Madrid.
I'm German. Do you live in Germany?
No. I live in Scotland.
I'm English.
Do you live in England?
No, I live in France, in Lyon.
I'm Welsh.
Do you live in Wales?
Yes. I live in Cardiff.
Seguindo o exemplo, escreva em um caderno qual é a língua falada por eles.
Agora a canção.
Do you speak English? Do you speak French? Do you understand me? Yes, I speak English. And I speak French. Yes, I understand you.